I'm Ashley.
And I'm Riley.
And welcome to our home. And today we are so happy to receive this gift from Richprime.
Thank you so much, Richprime and Tita Josie.
Let's open it. Come on, let's see what's inside. Ooh, what's this? XOXO Love and Hugs. Make your own bath bomb. So I think we can make our own bath bomb using this.
This is XOXO Love and Hugs DIY Safe Squashy Soap. Oh, Ate, so we will be able to make our own squashy soap.
Oh, that's cool. The next is this XOXO Love and Hugs Create Your Own Crystal Rainbow. So I think we can make our own crystal rainbow like this one. That's so cool.
This XOXO Love and Hugs are so cool.
Yeah, because we can make our own squashy soap, bath bomb, and rainbow crystal. This XOXO Love and Hugs is one of the holiday must-have toys.
This is the perfect gift for Christmas.
Yeah, we love these toys. Thank you so